My name is Miro. I'm at Stem Cell Foundation in Australia, and also I have Mr. Bay in Malaysia. Hello, Mr. Bay.
Hello, Dr. Miro.
Yes, so I've opened Mr. Bay's runlinc page. So this is actually his page on his kit. So he has a kit over there, and he has some sensors and lights. So you can see that on his video. Okay. I have also, this runlinc is also connecting to this Tello drone. So I have a special program, which I'll show you how that works. So I'll press the run code, and we have here Tello drone control. So I'll start the command.
Drone command.
Okay, and we'll take off.
Drone takeoff.
And we can also change it so that it can go, for example, it can go forward. Okay, and we can make it go up, etc. And then I can land the drone as well. Okay, so there's the drone. Mr. Bay now has a sensor, and his sensor, when he covers it, is going to detect an intruder in Malaysia. Mr. Bay, let's see what happens, what the drone will do. Okay, so it's deployed the drone for security. Okay, so I can still control it. Okay, very good. So what happens if the intruder is gone, Mr. Bay? Okay, just unblock the sensor.
Intruder has gone. Drone land.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Bay. Thank you very much for
okay, thank you for inviting me.
We appreciate that. And we hope that everybody will be able to use the runlinc more and get some of these drones for their projects. Thank you.
Thank you.